What is the biggest mistake people make after a minor accident? They wait. That's it. More than anything else, people wait too long in the first 24 hours. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and I can tell you this from experience. After a small collision, a lot of people go into delay mode. They say, the car still drives. They say, I'm too busy today. They say, I'll deal with it next week. And because the damage doesn't seem catastrophic, they assume it can wait without consequences. But waiting often makes everything harder. It can make the repair process feel more confusing. It can make the damage harder to evaluate in context. It can make documentation weaker. And sometimes it allows a seemingly small issue to become a bigger one. Here's what I want drivers to understand. The first 24 hours are not about panic. They are about clarity. You want clear photos, clear notes, clear information from the other party if another vehicle was involved. And most importantly, a clear understanding of what actually happened to your car. That's the part people miss. They think the mistake is choosing the wrong shop later. Sometimes that happens, yes, but the first mistake is often failing to act when the situation is fresh. A dent is visible. A broken clip is not. A scratch is visible. Hidden damage behind a bumper may not be. A car that still turns on and drives may still need more attention than the owner realizes. And here's another problem with waiting. Stress grows in the absence of information. When people do not know what the damage is, what the cost might be, or what the process will look like, their mind starts filling in the blanks, usually with worst-case scenarios. That is why the smart move is simple. Get the car checked. Not because every minor accident turns into a major repair, but because you deserve real answers, not assumptions. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we believe people feel better when they understand what is going on. We look at the damage, explain what we see, and help customers move forward step by step. No drama, no pressure, just honest guidance and quality work. So if you have had a small accident in the last day or two, do not let delay become your first mistake. Handle it while the details are fresh. Get the facts, protect yourself, and let a reputable shop tell you what your car actually needs. If you want straight answers after an accident, contact Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. We're here to help you move from stress and uncertainty to clarity and confidence.